Hello, my name is Lisa Natalia Marin Meneses. I will answer the question of Speak and Improve, Part 2, Question 1. Over 104 people visited our library last month. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. All new students have to be registered with Mrs. Clark by the end of Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, the students may leave the classroom. What types of companies do the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution.